If you have warts or skin tags, in this video I will share with you my main remedy and some other remedies that you can use at home to remove these pesky little skin issues for clearer looking skin. Warts are caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV. They commonly appear on the hands, the feet, the neck, but they can appear anywhere on the human body. While most warts go away on their own without treatment, some may need to be treated because of pain, discomfort, and other factors. Here's a little bit about me. Welcome to our health and wellness family. I am Charlene. I have been practicing natural and holistic health for over 25 years. I was an assistant vitamin manager. I have authored 2 health books, and I'm very grateful that I've helped thousands of people over the years to improve their health using healthy foods as natural medicine and natural supplements as needed. Essential oils like oregano and tea tree oil have antiviral and antimicrobial properties that may help with skin tags and warts. You can dilute with like organic coconut oil, which has antiviral properties as well, and always test for skin sensitivity. I have not tried apple cider vinegar for skin tags before, but I've heard and researched that it works. Please note my main remedy for removing skin tags and warts is garlic, in particular the juice. We're going to peel the garlic, and we only need a little bit for this home remedy. Garlic is a global remedy. It has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. I use garlic a lot in my cooking as well. We're gonna mash the garlic to get some garlic juice. Depending on how many skin tags you have, you want to use less or more of the garlic. You could also press on the garlic some more to further release the juice. Now we're going to apply it to anywhere that we have a skin tag or a wart. If the issue is on your hand, your neck, your chest, you can apply it there and let it sit for about half an hour for this remedy to work. You may have to repeat this process a few times for it to work. Everyone's skin is different, so it may work faster or slower depending on the issue that you're dealing with. Please note, for me personally, I only use natural remedies to take care of my health. I don't use any synthetic ingredients. If the issue is in your scalp, you can apply it there and let it sit for about half an hour or more. You could also add the oregano or the tea tree along with the garlic juice as well and apply it. Remember to use the coconut oil as the carrier oil to dilute these oils. Remember to always test for skin sensitivity. You can use a cotton swab to apply it, or your hand if your skin isn't sensitive. Please let me know some of the home remedies that you use to take care of this issue. To help you improve your health, please pick up a copy of my book and my natural and holistic health course on sale at charlenewees.com. It would mean the world to me, supports this channel, and thank you in advance. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.